Struggling with dull, slow-growing hair? Don't worry, we've got your hair fix. Here are the best natural oils to help you grow longer, smoother hair, fast. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids and vitamin E. It thickens your strands and kickstarts growth. Coconut oil deeply penetrates your scalp, reducing protein loss and leaving your hair super soft. Rosemary oil Powerhouse improves blood flow to your scalp, allow faster growth. Argan oil tames frizz, boosts shine, and keeps your hair soft and manageable. Amla is packed with vitamin C. It strengthens roots, reduces breakage, and adds bounce. Blend castor, coconut, rosemary and amla oil for the ultimate growth serum. Massage it into your scalp, leave for 1 hour or overnight, rinse with mild shampoo. Let us know if you're starting your healthy hair journey, and we'll cheer you on. Hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Your best hair is just one video away.